Somebody stop that guy! He just robbed me! Hey, kid! A little help?
Not my problem.
Somebody stop that dude!
Hey, kid. Spare any change?
Aw, you look like a sad little puppy.
Yo, buddy, cheer up. We're gonna check out a killer band. You should come.
Remember, happiness is a choice.
Look at that dent! This is a brand new car!
You stopped at a yellow light! Who stops at a yellow light?
People who obey the law, that's who.
Right. You respect the law so much you were
Hey!
talking about...
Check that out. Uncle Ben! Uncle Ben! Call an ambulance! Somebody help! Uncle Ben! Uncle Ben, hang on! Uncle Ben! Come on! No! Come on!
Hey, Larry, these guns are heavy. How about a hand?
I set this gig up. That makes me the boss, and you the hired help.
Winlator looks like the guy who killed Uncle Ben. But I'm not sure. I need to get some pictures of him. Let's get a good look at this guy's ugly face. Suitable for framing. That's not who I'm after. Something's wrong. Glad I trusted my instincts.
Spider-Man? Hell with it, kill him!
Now I'm on to you. Fool me once. You said money, glamour, power. Any second thoughts? Not gonna happen.
For what you've done, Spider-Man!
Stick around a while. See, because I said stick and never mind. This doesn't mean you're a bad person. Well, actually it does.
Get me down! Come on, get me down from here!
Quiet. Let me see your hands.
See?
Huh. It's your lucky night. You're not the guy I'm after. Unless you had a tattoo removed.
No, man, no. I'm afraid of needles. And heights. So how about let me down, huh?
Relax, you're fine.
What?
Until the webbing dissolves. But, you know, the cops will find you by then.
Please, what do you
Probably.
want? Maybe I can help you find who you're looking for. Just put me on the ground, yeah?
Guess the jails all have the same fashion. Gotta head to that construction site if I'm gonna find this Herman Schultz guy.
Hey, if Spider-Man doesn't bother me, I'm not gonna bother him. That guy is kinda nuts. Now, Spider-Man! Where are you coming from,
Hey, Spider-Man! Just stay out of my way, all right? Hey, apologize!
If there's even a chance Schultz knows Uncle Ben's killer, I've gotta get to that construction site.
Spider-Man?
Snap! Now that the cops cracked down, every crew in the city's running low on guns. This'll give us a hell of an advantage.
You mean us? Surrender the guns and make...
What is the deal with Spider-Man? I do not get that guy at all.
You cannot win! Only die!
You know, I hear jail's a lot nicer now.